Are you encountering an error message on Windows that reads something like this? Then let's explore all the ways to fix the error. First off, check to see if your network driver has any pending updates. You will most likely find the latest network driver on your computer's manufacturer's website, so you have to check who made your PC and visit their website for details. If you use an external network adapter, visit the adapter manufacturer's website instead. Another method is to perform a driver rollback. To perform it, open Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section, right-click on your network device, and then select Properties. Now you have to open Driver tab, click Rollback Driver option, but if the option is grayed out, your computer does not have an older driver to perform a rollback. Now if this happens, you have to check for your manufacturer's website to see if they have an older drivers in an archive. Then in the confirmation dialog box, you have to select Yes. Lastly, perform a network reset. Do it by opening Settings, open Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click on Reset Now, and then select Yes to reset your network settings. Your PC will now restart during the process. But those are the following solutions that we have for you on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.